Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your device is ready and your location is accurate, because Pokémon GO relies on GPS. Once done, open the app and grant the permission prompts it asks for location, camera notifications, so the game can function. You should have a stable internet connection and sufficient battery. If not, connect to Wi-Fi or a charger first. Now, when the app shows the welcome screen, tap to proceed to login options and get to the sign-in choices immediately. You now select the login method that matches your account, Google, Apple, or Pokémon Trainer Club, and tap it. When prompted, enter your email and password. Type slowly or paste from a password manager to avoid typos. Make sure you allow the authentication flow to return to Pokémon GO. That lets the app link your account. Once authenticated, opt into two-factor authentication when offered. This prevents unauthorized access and makes recovery easier if you lose your device or forget credentials. You finish by accepting any final profile prompts and waiting for your trainer to load into the map. This verifies a successful login. If you see errors, pause and double-check your email and password. Sometimes toggling airplane mode off and on or restarting the app clears network hiccups. Make sure the app is updated, and if needed, clear the app cache or reinstall. If none of that works, you can contact support with screenshots, because account issues sometimes require developer intervention to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.